Oh, I forgot Ems.
Elliot's shedded skin.
I know, was it?
That means Elliot's grown.
Yeah. Oh, it's really soft. Wow. Do you keep that for your memory box? That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Even though it will crisp up, I still want to keep it.
That is so cool. We'll have to get a little tub or something to roll it up in.
When we got Elliot in the tub, if you guys have seen that video already, when we got Elliot, Elliot's skin was shedded already, and they only get shedded twice a year.
Oh, right.
And that was much smaller than this.
Look at the size. She's.
So Elliot is definitely grown.
Oh, she's definitely over. Look, even the little tail bit at the end. Look, the tiny little tail. Now we're going to figure out if it is a his or a her, eh?
Head.
Oh, look at the little guys. Check out the mouth.
Wow!
How weird is that?
A big mouth.
Yeah.
That's
Look at
big
her
enough.
eyes.
That's big enough to grab my finger.
It's almost perfect. Look at her eyes. Okay, you can get her eyes. That's weird.
Interesting to see if our colour's brighter.
So I think this is a good idea, guys. I'm not sure, but what Emily's going to try and do is just gently sort of coil it up. You know, instead of it being
Folded.
folded. Yeah, we'll see if it'll coil up nice.
I don't think it will properly do it, but it'll be the right size to just keep it in.
Nice, and that is going to go in Emily's memory box, guys. That's awesome.
And then we'll just keep on putting my shirts in.
That's right, that's okay. So we're out of here, man. We are heading now off to our horse riding, eh?
Horse riding.
We're hopefully going to see Maggie. Hey, we'll try and get Maggie this time. But
I'm
we're...
sure we have horse riding.
Yeah, right, let's rock and roll, Ems.
Bye. We're just heading down the road to my horse riding.
It's my black and white. Oh, it's my brown and white one.
No, I think that's just a dark brown.
So you need some 4x4 action, eh? That is potholy. Look at this. Look at this. Hey. Hello. That was cool, wasn't it? That cool.
Horses do that for fun.
Yeah.
If they have an itchy back or not.
You coming over? No, I'm not interested in
I do
listening,
still
are they?
keep my helmet.
Yeah, it's true.
I don't know if anyone's in there. Right.
I'll adjust for you if you want.
Perfect.
Oh, she is beautiful, Ems. We're going to be leaving it to you again, aren't we? You can halter up in there. You got right into the sunlight. Oh my goodness. That's like Emily at supper time. It's gone. So that was cool, wasn't it? Really cool horse riding, baby.
Now we're going to get Lucy.
Check it out!
If you can't remember, Lucy's our caravan.
Yeah, because we are heading off to Loch Ness now, aren't we? Well, almost. Daddy's still got to fix a few things. But let's go down. Down we come. Here we go. Yeah, ours is the lunar quasar, so there's quasar. You'll just see her there. Now I'm just going to go down and check on Dusty, our boat. Yeah, there's the old Dusty. Just make sure everything's okay with him, eh?
Dusty's tiny.
I know, it's a little boat. That's all we want, though, isn't it? Really. So we haven't seen Lucy for a while, have we? And the last time we were out with Lucy, back tyre blew completely and it ripped off this trim. And it damaged the back of the caravan ends. Open sesame seed. So just the way we left her, look. We're going to get out of here, eh, man?
We will have to fix a few things in here.
Definitely, I've got a few things to do, but we're looking good.
This is actually the stiffest one. This is the stiffest one, Dad.
That's the stiffest one. That's a really annoying one, that one.
Yeah,
Daddy needs to grease her up. No problemo with Emily, though. Do you want me to get the last? Honestly, hun, it'll really get tough now. Now, we saw this puppy dog way back, didn't we, before Loch Lomond? And look now, it's a proper farm dog, yeah, proper farm doggy. Oh. Right, so as you can see, I've still got the trim to fix from last time. We'll do that today anyway. That wheel seems to be jammed on, look. No, we're still jammed on, aren't we? We'll try and get up to the tarmac, you see. It might come away, I don't know. So what I think we'll have to do, guys, is I'll reverse back and forward, back and forward, back and forward, and see if it loosens. So if you can stay there, Emily, that'd be great.
We're gonna test if that tire right there is gonna loosen out or not. So Dad's gonna go back and forth. I want to see if it will start moving. Yeah, it is moving. Yes, it's moving. Let's go back in.
Yeah, it's a quick double check, guys. Got the chain on, this is down, handbrakes off, little cables on, jockey wheels up, and the electrics are in, wheels are all turning, all the windows are shut. Is the door shut, Emily? The door locked, I should say. I think it is. Well, that was a wee job for me and my baby today, guys. There's always something, isn't there? And because the Land Rover is so powerful, I wouldn't really feel it much, I think, if the brake was locked on. But now, what I'm going to do on this little slope here is just let it push the clutch in and let it run itself, look. See, and I know the brakes aren't holding me back, so it's definitely freed off. This is what we get when we come home.
Without the stirrups.
Oh, without stirrups?
Yeah.
They're like a pier. Emmy, can you try one?
Oh! What's young Dad's got?
Oh, you're smelling. You're smelling Kelly, aren't you?
Flaming hot Doritos.
Eat it.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Yeah, just wait. Just wait.
Right now it's going.
I only wanted
You're
one.
smelling Kelly off my leg. I took a tiny nibble and my mouth was on fire.
There's Bailey. Oh, it's Mummy's home.
You're smelling
She
Kelly.
was smelling it. Yeah, but first things first, I need to get this trim back on after the damage that we had from the bad wheels. So I'm going to do that just now, and hopefully tie strap back on these wheel caps as well. But what we need for this, hopefully these are going to do the job. The little ones in the little snap over cap. Hopefully they're going to do really good. How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, a wee bit of a mix and match going on here, guys. Just don't seem to have enough to make 7 of the same type, but that's okay. Let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. And obviously, guys, this was the original one, as you'll see. So I'm just going to put in these self-tappers that are just a little bit, bigger in diameter, and that'll hold it on really nice and tight. So there we go, that's them all set up, and look at that, eh? The tyre came off, look. That should come off, right enough. But yeah, so I've just got these started, so it's nice and easy. But you have to be careful, especially these old Caravan trims, is just to be quite gentle. You can easily sort of crack the plastic. Yeah, so as you can see, look at the damage just up on this part of the trim here, so I'm going to need to try and just spend a little bit of time, whoops, sorry guys, spend a wee bit of time just getting all this flattened out, and hopefully we'll screw it right back in again. This bit's tricky, isn't it? I've just put one on there just to hold that part in really nice and tight, but it's trying to get a screw in through here that's going to find somewhere. That's a wheel trim back on now, look, and I've got tie straps on, so that's good, it won't come off again. Looking a wee bit soft though. Yeah, I thought if I was straightening that trim out was difficult, this is going to be really hard. This is obviously where the awning goes on, and that rock flipped up from the back wheel and smacked into this, so this is going to take a little while. Yeah, so what I'm trying to do here, guys, the runner where well, in fact, that's the side there where the awning goes onto, but as you can see, it's all twisted. That's where the rock impacted, right there. Something, guys, not often I admit defeat, but I think that is absolutely destroyed. You know that? I've been trying sort of leaving it back and forth and inside. It ain't happening. That is really, really bad. So I think what I'm going to do, guys, is cut it up here, and then we'll get the Caravan repair tape down here. Something. We'll figure something out. Yeah, so next job's the tap, which is away under there, but we do have some tap spanners. You can see all different sizes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully this will be the right ones. I'll have to take this drawer out first. Yeah, so just 2 little screws on the runners. And guys, I always say, the Caravans, all this stuff is light, and that, look at it. You know what I mean? nice and gentle, especially if it's cold. But that should give us what we need to get up inside there. I don't think that's ever been off. Yeah, so as you'll see, the bolt just in between the two flexi valves. The little flexi pipe, see how big it is? But that's why we use this tool. We'll get right up underneath it. And this one's actually just on hand tight. Oh, sorry guys. Here it comes. This is how handy these are. They're really good to have in the house anyway, you know. Obviously using the inspection light, but that should be her. Come on, here we go. So not very complicated at all. Look, what's that? 10mm? It was 10mm, I think. Yeah, and we'll swap them over. Now, obviously, this is about 3 holidays in a row. I think I've not done it. I'm not going to need that, but they'll all be the same fittings. You see, I'll get it back on. Oh, look, you also got a new gasket and everything with it, eh? Can't go wrong with that at all. It's a fairly standard mixer tap actually, but obviously we have to get kind of the same one because of this part coming up and down here. Round we go, up and down, superb. It's actually 11mm that is actually. But anyway, grab onto that part there as you'll just see. Then obviously the nuts in there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah, so look, obviously we get one of these, which is going to go on top. And one of them that goes on the bottom, isn't it? And then we've got this as well. It's all new. But yeah, that tap's just had it. Man alive. So I've got some PTFE tape with us as well, but there's no PTFE tape on that. So I doubt it needs it. We'll get the other one in there. I mean, it is hot and cold. You have to make sure it's the right ones, obviously. But we never use the hot in the Caravan. Don't think we ever have. I need insurance help for that. I need to kind of have it kind of right there so I can get in about it. But okay, I'll get it in just a second. Oh, man alive, you guys. Fajita time. That's the Caravan kind of sorted, eh?
Yep, ready to rock.
Yeah. And here they go, look, the kids, including Bailey. Well, Bailey's like one of the kids anyway now, really, isn't she? Yeah. This is the... This is the mattress from the roof tent, and these are the... Ouch. Oh no, these are the sleeping bags, isn't they, guys?
I'm getting 2 fajitas.
You're getting 2 fajitas. I can only handle 2 fajitas.
I have pizza.
I'll make my own. It's disaster night movie night.
No. Oh yeah.
I'll find something. Oh, watch out, Trotter's about. Oh, watch out, Trotter's about. Looky, looky, looky. Emma's getting her lovely hair done, look. Yeah. We're just... Yeah, we just got hold of this thing, guys, for Spike's new... Well, Spike's new home, eh, guys? It's pretty awesome.
Now take it out your burrito.
See if he'll come out his burrito, look. He's just had his bath, guys, you see. Come in. Ooh.
This thing's moved quick.
Good boy.
There you go.
Good boy.
The Spike has emerged.
He's emerged, look at him.
Stop dancing.